Hey guys, so today I'm gonna work on my brother's animated Bing Crosby. So yeah, let's get into the video. And I have my hot glue gun because I have to hot glue the spring on.
Black and clear one.
So yeah, let's wait until this one works. So yeah, in the next video I'll be hot gluing this on. I'll be hot gluing that onto there. And while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna sit there and wait.
This is the same as that.
Who was that?
Shoot.
Okay, so
Shoot.
now
I had the pants on and it came off again.
what came off?
Pants. It's just shot down all the way down.
So guys, the spring did not work. So guys, make sure to give you this a big fat thumbs up. And sorry y'all are just staring at some blanks place.
Things to place.
I said blank.
Blanks place.
So yeah.
Blanks place.
So here are the animatronics we've already fixed. His head did not move. And now it does.
I'm having a little bit of a pain.
And here's the Hank Williams. I hot glued the wire.
Pain in the ass right here.
So yeah, it's almost time. It's almost done. I hope. I think I just messed it up.
Okay,
So comment below if y'all watch the kids. Oh my god, I hate this thing.
Yeah,
Where in the world is the original spring?
original what spring?
The original spring that's when it was here. Justin, the spring I found in Miss Schmidt's room.
I don't have it.
Well, where'd you put it? Even like $1,000,000. Oh, it's not hot. It's not done yet. But yeah, guys, in the next video, I'm gonna let this one sit. But I already hot glued it. So yeah, here's what he does now. What? This is an outrage. No batteries. So yeah, I gotta take the batteries out of one of the animatronics. Which one? Dusty, go get me batteries.
No.